How to make a ChatCat on tiny ARM Linux board with C++. You need a Linux board, wireless network adapter, audio amplifier, TFT LCD module, and a mic. You also need a speaker which can connect to the amplifier. Hardware is okay, let's just power it on. Next, let's launch the Openai voice validity detector. Let's say something. Check whether the system is okay.
Hello, how are you today?
VAD detected the human voice successfully, and the ASR works fine.
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Just lounging around, watching the birds outside. How about you?
I'm okay. Can you tell me a joke?
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.